Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Such a pleasure to have you all. Appreciate you. Today we're going to be making a tray so we could save some space on our dresser and our chest of drawer. It'll be a silver tray with some. So I'll be using a silver charger from the dollar store tree. I'll be using a bling foam paper and also some gemstones from the dollar store. You're gonna need 3 packs of this. I'll be using a silver bling wrap to go around the side, and you'll need a glue gun and your scissors. All right, let's get into this project. First, you want to clean, charge it down so that the glue can hold. We're gonna go ahead and put some of the silver bling wrap on the side. I like taking these. So we're gonna put some of the bling wrap on the side. Why did I count my bling? 2, 4, 6, 8. So I think we're gonna need 8. Of the bling wrap and the 2, 1, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put my hot glue, my wrap, put it to the side. When we're done doing all the sides with the silver bling wrap, let's go ahead and put in this paper foam, glitter paper foam in the middle. I'm gonna put it in and give it a little mark where okay, that should do it. Perfect. Okay, we're gonna use some of our hot glue to just. First, I think we need to take a little bit of this off, just a little piece of it, so that it be very careful, because if they stick to the glue before you get it to where it should lie down, it tends to fold up on you. Just clean up the excess glue that we have to the side. This is quick. There we go. Should be looking like that. Now we're gonna be putting on our gemstones. So I like starting in the middle, because I'm gonna put it in the middle and to the side. So We're gonna do 3 layers, 1 to each side and then 1 in the middle going down. So that's how we're gonna do it. Just like that. 1 to the side, so we're gonna put 1 to the side and then 1 on top. Give it that extra. So you need 3 packs of the acrylic gem. So for the 4 corners in the tray, we're gonna use some of our silver bling wrap just to cover the where we put it down inside. We're gonna use some bling wrap just to cover the openings that we have in the inside. So already I've gone ahead and cut my border. I call it a border. When you do that, it complements the gem acrylic. The acrylic and the silver together is phenomenal. Another phenomenal piece by Neva's Classic Design. And for this piece, it is very special because I do have it on my channel. It's a giveaway prize for anyone that subscribe and also refer friends and share my videos. So this is one of the masterpieces that we have given away. It's a beautiful tray for your dresser or for your bathroom, wherever you want to use it. Thank you for tuning into my channel. Remember to subscribe, share, hit the bell. Have a blessed day, everyone. Thank you.